Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Eleni. I'm a second year dental student and I go to Tufts University. Today is Monday, March 15th, and I'm going to be starting another weekly vlog. So welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do weekly vlogs of my life in dental school so you guys can see what it's like to be a dental student. So yeah, today I have fixed pros at 1. And then I have a perio workshop after that, so I'm heading into school soon. But first I'm going to write in my planner. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys know that I love starting my week by writing in my passion planner and getting super organized for the week and knowing exactly when all of my classes are. So I'm going to just write in all my classes right now, and then I'm going to head into school. I'm headed to school now. Like I said before, I have fixed pros at 1, and then I have a perio workshop from 4:30 to 7. Hopefully that will get out earlier. And then also for fixed pros, we're finishing the temps that we have done for the number 5 crown. And I already basically finished it yesterday. So I just need to touch it up a little bit today. And hopefully I can work on my endo project during the rest of the class session because I have that due for Thursday. So yeah, hopefully everything goes well, and let's head to school. I just got back home from school. It's around 7 o'clock right now. I had fixed pros at 1, and I was able to finish my number 5 crown prep and get it checked off. I just had to add a little bit to the mesial because there was very little contact, so I just added a little bit to that side, and then I was able to have a little bit more contact. So that was good. So then I got that checked off. I was able to also work on my endo project for a little bit for the remaining time in the class. And then I also had a perio workshop at 4:30. And basically they just went over all of the instruments that you would use for like scaling and root planing. And then we also learned how to sharpen them, because if they're not sharp enough, then you're not able to get the plaque off. So it's helpful to sharpen your instruments if they're not sharp enough before you use them for your appointment, to ensure that you're getting any calculus off and plaque. So that's what we did in the perio workshop, and I think we have one more perio workshop Thursday, I think. So in that one, I think we're actually doing probing and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty good day. And then tomorrow I have implants in the morning, and then I'm also assisting at 1. And then we have pre-clinic practice time from 7 to 9. So then I'll hopefully be able to finish my endo project then and get that all done. So yeah, right now I'm probably going to edit my vlog from last week. Right now before dinner, we're doing tacos tonight. And then after dinner, I'm probably gonna study medicine. I've been able to get through about half of the first medicine lecture. So I want to hopefully finish it tonight. And then tomorrow start off with lecture 2 and just keep going, and then do endo here and there as well, because I have an exam block coming up in a few weeks. So I wanna make sure that I'm starting to study, because it's gonna be a lot once April comes. So we have 5 exams in like 2 weeks. So I want to start studying now so I can get ahead and get started, and I'm not behind once all those exams come up. That's basically what I'll be doing for the rest of the night. And tomorrow I have to wake up early again, probably leave around. So if I have class at 9, typically I like to be there around like 8:30 or so, just so I can set up and everything. So if I have to be there at 8:30, that means I need to leave my house around like 7:45. So probably wake up around like 6:45, which I guess isn't that bad. But yeah, so I think I'm going to change and then work on my videos, eat dinner, and then study a little bit. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. It's been a few days since I've talked to you guys. It's now Wednesday, March 17th. Today I had a peds lecture this morning, and then at 4 I assisted a NPE, which is a new patient encounter. So that's when a patient comes into the dental school for the first time. So you see the patient for the first time and you get x-rays and you take impressions and all of that stuff. So that's an NPE. So I was able to assist that. I need to check that off because there's a bunch of assists that we need to do. There's like 10 of them. And so that's one of them. So I'm glad that I was able to assist that. Yesterday I had implants, and we took final impressions for an implant to make a crown. And then I also assisted a posterior composite. So that was really good too, because that's another thing that we have to get checked off for our assists. So I'm happy that I got that as well. So tomorrow I have endo at 8 a.m. and we have a project due for tomorrow. Luckily, I was able to finish it today. I had to do the whole thing over again because the first one that I did, it had a void, and then when I tried to fix the void, I just ended up, you know, going through the canal because we use hot tips and, you know, the tooth that we use is plastic. So when you use the hot tip, it can actually melt through the canal. So I think that's what happened with the first tooth that I did. So I had to redo the whole thing. And luckily, I think it came out pretty well. It still has like some little voids, but I think it's going to be okay, and I think I'll still be able to pass the project. So I was really happy to get that done and have a decently good results with my root canal. So I'm happy about that. So we're handing those in tomorrow at 9 a.m. during our endo class, and then I have another perio workshop from 4 to 7, and I think we're going to be doing like probing on a typodont, so that should be fun. But it's been a pretty busy week. There's just been so many labs and projects to get done. I feel like this is just what second year is like, tons of labs and projects, and then whenever I'm not in class, I try and find time to assist. So I really haven't even had time to study for any of my upcoming exams, so it's kind of just been pretty crazy and hectic with labs and projects and trying to get all the assists done, because there's 10 assists that we have to do before we actually start going into the clinic. They told us that we can start as early as July, so that's really exciting. But yeah, it's just been kind of crazy, and I feel like I haven't had much downtime to do anything. I haven't done laundry in forever. So yeah, I've just been trying to enjoy it all, but it can be kind of crazy and hectic and overwhelming. So yeah, right now it's 9:30 and I feel like I got home late, so I feel like I didn't really have much time to do anything. I probably could have studied a little bit, but I've just been kind of doing some busy work, just like checking up on things and emails and stuff like that. So maybe I will study a little bit, because endo tomorrow we have another quiz. I have not been doing well on the endo quizzes, but I need to start studying for the exam because that's going to be coming up in a few weeks. So maybe I will review a few lectures that are going to be on the quiz tomorrow, just so I get some sort of review in. So maybe I'll do that. And then Friday I have fixed pros, and we're taking final impressions for the crown prep that we have. And then it's the weekend, so I'm excited about that. And on Saturday, I think I'm going to go into the pre-clinic to work on my peds pulpotomy, because I have to redo it because it didn't come out well during class, but it's okay. So I'm just going to redo it, and I think I'll do that on Saturday. Hopefully next week isn't as crazy and busy so I can start studying for the exams that are coming up. But yeah, it's been pretty crazy and hectic for the last few weeks, but I think that's just like how second year goes. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Thursday night now. Today I had endo this morning, and today we did an access and instrumentation on a premolar in the maxilla. So I was able to access 2 of the unmounted teeth, like just in my hand, and then I did 1 of the mounted teeth like on the typodont and with the head and everything on. So that went pretty well. So I did the access, and then I started the instrumentation, and that will be like a whole other project that we do in a few weeks from now, kind of like how we did for the anterior teeth. So I'll have to take radiographs again for all of it, and instrument, and then obturate, so like fill the canal as well. So that was endo this morning, and I handed in my project for the anterior teeth. So that was really exciting because that took me a long time to do. I had to start over from the beginning because when I was filling my tooth, I had a void. So then when I tried to fix it, I ended up going into the canal and just, it didn't look good. So I decided to just start all over again, and I think it came out pretty well in the end. I still had like a little bit of voids, but I think in the end it came out pretty well. So I was really happy to finish that and get it done and then hand it in. So that was good. And then I also had a perio workshop at 4:30, and we basically just learned how to perioprobe and also fill in the chart. It's a little bit confusing because you have to add numbers and also subtract and all that stuff. So it was a little bit confusing, but I was able to get the hang of it. So that was good as well. I just feel like the last few days and last couple of weeks have been so busy. I remember last year hearing that, you know, D2 spring semester is like the hardest semester of dental school, and I really feel that right now. It's just been very difficult with all the projects and classes, and then you also have to assist. So if I'm not in class or doing a lab project, I'm assisting. So I get to school really early and then I don't leave until like very late. So I'm at school like all day long, and then once I get home it's late and I don't feel like doing anything and I'm just tired. So it's been pretty hard and challenging for the last couple of weeks, but I've been trying to enjoy it. I think, you know, overall it's been fun when it's not tiring and all of that. Being able to do a little bit of all the different specialties like peds and endo and fixed pros and all of that, it's been really fun. I've actually really enjoyed doing all of this and learning all of it. So yeah, I'm really happy with how the semester is going, even though it has been really hard and challenging. I feel like I've been learning so much and just been like very immersed in dentistry with not only the labs but assisting. I feel like assisting has been so much fun, and I've been learning so much about the clinic and how to handle the patients and different procedures. So that has been really fun as well. So it's definitely hard, but I am just trying to have fun with it and enjoy it, make the most out of it, because very soon we will just be seeing patients in the clinic. So then we won't have any more labs or projects or classes, and we really won't be learning that much more. We'll be just doing the procedures on the patients and stuff like that. So that will be coming up soon. But yeah, it's already like 9 o'clock now, so I think I'm just going to study for maybe an hour and then start getting ready for bed. I'm getting up early again to go to school. I'm going to study in the morning, and then I have fixed pros in the afternoon. And I think we're just doing a final impression for the crown prep that we've been practicing. So I think that should be pretty straightforward and easy. And then it's the weekend, so I'm excited for that and for this week to be over. Next week I have to be super productive and study a ton, because the following week is when I start my exam block and it'll be kind of hectic. So next week is going to be super productive and I'm going to be studying a ton. But yeah, so right now I'm just going to study a little bit and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm editing this video and I realized that I never ended it off. So I want to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. And if you guys aren't already, please subscribe down below and like this video. And also you guys can follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting on there about dental school if you want to see more projects and things that go on in my life during dental school. Also follow me on TikTok if you guys have a TikTok. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.